Welcome back. I have Lynn Rosenstein and Beverly Genero, who is here with the Reformed Temple of Laguna Woods. Hopefully I said your names correctly.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so we have a lot of things coming up over the next couple of weeks, but we're going to start with food. So I'm excited. You guys have a big Jewish food festival coming up.
We do. It's Sunday, June the 2nd, from 5 to 8 o'clock. Let me take a sip. This is the second year we're doing this. Last year, we had no idea how many people were coming. We thought maybe we'd have 600, and we prepared for 600, but we ended up with about 1,000 people.
Wow.
So we ran out of food, and we ran out of parking spaces. And those are the two things that we have fixed this year.
Okay, so how did you fix them?
Well, last year we had brisket sandwiches. This year we're having more brisket sandwiches, and we're having pastrami sandwiches.
Wow.
We have lox and bagels. We have hot dogs and something called potato knishes. And water, which we did not have last year.
Oh no.
In addition to soda. And another group sells chicken soup and small challahs, which is egg bread. Another group sells noodle kugels, and another group is selling fudge and halava, which is an Israeli sesame candy. So we'll really have enough food, and we've made arrangements to use the employee parking lot. And we have a shuttle bus, two shuttle buses, which will make a continual circuit between the employee parking lot and Clubhouse 1.
And what are the times again? It's in the evening?
Yes, it's 5 to 8. And the doors this year will not open until 5.
Okay, so you probably have a big line out in the front.
Yes, we do. But while people are in line, they can buy tickets for food. And there's no admission. Just the food is for sale.
Okay, and what about entertainment? You having some entertainment?
We do. We have a klezmer band from Los Angeles. Their name is Schmaltz.
And what kind of music?
Do you know what that means?
No.
Klezmer band it's hard to explain. It's very lively, and it's a combination of gypsy music and Russian music, and it really speaks to the heart. It always has a clarinet that sounds like it's talking to you, and you cannot sit still when you listen to klezmer music. And the Israeli dance group from the village is going to be entertaining as well. And people can get up and dance with them.
Oh, good. I was going to say there must be dancing. Oh, good.
Everybody was dancing, and scarves were flying, and lots of fun.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. All right, good.
We also have crafters from the village that we have carefully selected, and they're going to have their wares available too.
Okay, all right. Well, it sounds wonderful. And that will be on June 2nd. So you've got some time.
We've got some time.
Okay, and we'll probably talk about that again in May, just to remind everybody.
But people should save the date.
Save the date and the evening, because it's from 5 to 8.
Right.
So don't eat beforehand.
Absolutely not.
Sounds like you have a lot of food. All right, excellent. Okay, and then we have the men's club has something fun coming up.
We do. The Reformed Temple has a full schedule of activities in May. We always have a lot going on, and I'll tell you a little bit about some of the highlights.
All right.
We'll start with on May 3rd, we're going to be observing Yom HaShoah, which is a day of remembrance for approximately 6 million people who perished in the Holocaust, and also recognizing the heroism of survivors and rescuers. And we'll have a service on May 3rd, as I said, our normal service 7:30 in Clubhouse 1. It's an emotional service, and all who wish to participate are welcome to come. On Friday the 17th of May, we're having a beautiful Shabbat under the stars. This is the second time we'll have that. It's in the patio in Clubhouse 1. It's a special healing service this time, and it's conducted by our Rabbi Ben Kamen, our cantorial soloist Jennifer Lewis, and accompanied by her mother Barbara Gunther on the piano. And we have a special guest soloist who will be doing, Tony Rio, who is a flautist. She'll be playing the flute. So it's an inspiring and beautiful experience. And just to be out there in the patio with the stars and the music, it's beautiful. So again, all are welcome to come to that. On May 19th, our men's club will hold their annual barbecue. That's on the back patio at Clubhouse 2.
Okay.
Entertainment's provided by the Cordells beginning at 3 p.m.
All right.
And then at 4, the barbecue will be served, and they have hot dogs and chicken and hamburgers and even veggie patties for people like me.
Okay, that's very popular these days.
Yes, so I'm sure it's going to be a lovely event also. And again, Temple members, village residents, guests are all welcome.
Okay, and then in order to participate with that, you do have to have reservations.
We do need reservations for that particular event.
Okay.
And I think there's a post flyer up, right?
There was a flyer up, and there's a phone number that they can call, because I know that they have there's a little tear off at the bottom, but obviously saying that on the broadcast would be hard to do. But if they could just call that one number, then that would be good.
That would be good.
Okay,
yes.
perfect.
Yes, we need to know how many, so we know how much food to have.
Right. So let's kind of recap. So we'll kind of go in order. So May 3rd, which is next Friday, you're having this Shabbat. That's a healing, or that's the?
That is the observing the Yom HaShoah.
Okay. Okay.
And that's a beautiful, emotional, but beautiful service.
And then May 17th?
On May 17th, it's going to be
under the stars.
On the patio.
Okay.
Under the stars.
Good. And
on May 19th is the men's barbecue.
Great. Okay. And then June 2nd, obviously, is the food festival. And then you've brought me something to eat.
I brought you some Mandelbrot. And we have people in our temple, men and women, who are baking for this event, and then we sell the baked goods. We're making something called rugelach.
Okay.
Mandelbrot, coffee cakes. We're selling also baklava and cream cheese pastries.
Oh, yum. I'm hungry. Let's have a bite.
And I think even some hamantaschen.
Oh, that's right. That's
wow,
right.
You guys have a lot of stuff. And so tell me, what's the history of this bread?
I think it came from, because it has a German name, it probably came from Germany. It's like biscotti. It's good if you dunk it in something, like you do with biscuit, because it's a little dry. But it's satisfying because it's hearty, and it has usually almonds in it.
This has cinnamon.
Cinnamon, right. Hope you like cinnamon.
Oh, no, it's great, and I'm not allergic to it either, so we're in good shape. All right, so let's go back to what you were saying. The name of the band was what? Schmaltz. And what does that mean?
Chicken fat.
Oh, jeez.
But it also, there's another connotation
yes,
to the word
it's something schmaltzy.
Something kind of sweet and emotional and...
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a good word, not a bad word.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a different group than we had last year, and they're really wonderful.
Sounds fun. All right, ladies, well, thank you so much. This was great to learn everything. I'm sure we'll see you again. We'll talk about more fun things that you have.
Thank you. Thank you for having
Lisa.
us. It's
You're
a pleasure.
welcome. You're welcome. And remember, their first event will be next Friday night, May 3rd, and that will be a service that you can attend. We'll be right back.